What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Review into Huck's World. And listen up, Jonathan, I got one bad animated watch face for you guys to check out. Adrian, you too, Jackie, Sonja, everybody. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, I paid, I believe, 90 cents for this one in the Gear Manager store, and it was worth every penny. But let's have a closer look at this watch face, right? Now, the name of it is called AN25 Animated Watch Face. It's by Super Z. My man got down on this watch face. 5 thumbs up in the door easily. Now, in the AOD mode, you would think it would have like some type of analog watch face, you know, just by itself, but no. This thing freezes in the AOD mode and it looks awesome. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the animation that this animated watch face gives as it changes the two different designs. Now, what would have really took this watch face over the top is if you were able to customize the color theme that's in the background of this watch face. Not at all is it a deal breaker, but that would have really took it over the top, but it's actually still a great looking watch face. Now, check this out. It offers more. So if you want to, you got your Spotify, you got your heart rate information at the top. You go to your contacts, your settings, your calendar, your S Health. Also, single tap, you can go into your weather. Also, you do have your battery info as well. To get out of it, double tap. Now, you don't need to double tap in order to go in. Just single tap in that area, if you remember, and you're in. Now, you guys gotta hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this super awesome watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget. And also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the weekend, people. Have fun. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.